Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am doing a very everyday look of mine, as you see right here. And I really wanted to focus on this eyeliner. So it is the Mia Unshakable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Here is what it looks like. And I was sent this to review on my channel for free, but believe me, this is 100% honest opinion. They emailed me, they asked me if I would be interested in showing you guys this eyeliner, and I looked into it and I made sure it was cruelty free. It was, so I was like, I like eyeliners, I like cruelty free, why not? Try some new brand that I've never even heard of before, so I could share it with you guys. So I have worn this to work. Last 2 days I worked and there was 8-hour shifts and it did fantastic. And I am comparing it to the Mellow Precision Pen eyeliner just because that was the one I was currently using at the time when this one was sent to me. And I must say I do like this one a tad bit more just because of you can tell when it's open and closed. Like it snaps closed, so you know it's closed, you know it's not going to dry out that fast, or at least I don't think it is. It's very pigmented. You'll see me do these swatches in the middle of this video. This one is the Mia Unshakable one, and it looks more pigmented than the Mellow one, if you ask me. And the Mellow one looks a tad bit streakier. So, and I wasn't trying, like, you'll see the first impressions of the swatches later, but I do like this, and it is on my eyes today with this makeup look. I do like it. I'm going to continue on using it, and I saw a few more products from their website. I will have a 20% discount code in my description box below, along with their Amazon link and their website link and Instagram and Pinterest and all that down below. But on Amazon, it is going for $14.99 right now on their Amazon website. But if you go to their company website, it is originally $22, but they got a sale going on for $17.99. And I did see that had a lot more products there that I want to try. And what stood out to me the most was their, what was it called? Light Me Up Multi-Tone Highlighting Bronzing Palette. There is the picture right here on the screen, and it's originally $50, but it's on the website for $35.99 right now, and it looked really beautiful. And you know me, I love my highlights and my bronzing, so I would love to try this, but I'm not sure when I'll get a chance to get around to getting it, but something I'm really interested in, and I just wanted to share that with you. They have skincare, they got hair care, they have makeup, they have a bunch of different things on their website, so you can check them out and decide for yourself what you want to all try and order from them. I am going to be talking about this eyeliner today, and yeah, so I guess I can stop rambling and just get on to this video. Alright, so this is what we're here for. The Mia Unshakable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I have been enjoying this for the last 2 days. I know that's not like a very long time to try eyeliner, but I have liked it. I've worked 2 8-hour shifts with this, so I really like it. I will swatch it for you. It's really black, really pigmented, and I really love it. I will compare it to the eyeliner that I was currently using right before this showed up. But this one I like because you hear that it like basically tells you when it's shut. This one does not. This one screws on and off, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's just kind of weird that way a little bit. Not saying this mellow, okay, this is the Mellow Precision Pen Eyeliner. Not to say this one's bad, but I do like this Mia, what is it? Unshakable. Mia Unshakable eyeliner a little bit better, just because the way it opens and closes. This one's a screw. This one is just pull on and off, but you can hear when it's actually shut, so that is good. So I don't think it's going to dry out as fast because it's not like a normal like push. Like sometimes you can push them shut and they don't shut all the way. So I like that. It kind of, you really know if you shut it or not. And another thing is the Mia Unshakable eyeliner pen, liquid eyeliner, is a lot easier to take off than the Mellow one. The Mellow one, I can use my regular face wash and like wash my face in the bathtub or whatever, and I still have a lot of black residue. This one, it's literally coming off just really easy with my normal face wash, and it pretty much completely comes off just regular washing my face. I don't have to do the extra steps like I do with the Mellow one. So I do like that. And if you're thinking, well, it might not wear good as good during the day, I like this one. It holds up after 2 8-hour shifts that I did in a row, like, day after day. It lasted all day. It didn't come off until I wanted it to come off, and then it came off very easily. So I do like that, and I like that it's really pigmented. So that was the Mia Unshakable one, and you can tell it's not going anywhere. Now I'm going to do the Mellow swatch, just because I am comparing it to another one, which you can tell. Okay. So it looks like the Mellow one might be a tad bit more streaky now that I'm looking at it. That's the Mellow one on the bottom. That's the Mia Unshakable on the top. To me, I think it's more pigmented, the Mia Unshakable one, if you ask me. And I hadn't really tried that out, like swatching them, until just then. The Mellow one looks a tad bit streakier to me. But I still like the Mellow one. Don't get me wrong. I just think I like this Mia Unshakable a tad bit more. And I don't know how much this Mellow one is, but I did look this up. And of course it is cruelty free since it's up on my channel. I love that. The Mellow one is too, but this Mia Unshakable is what we're reviewing, and it is 100% cruelty free. You can find it on their About section on their website. I will have a 20% discount code. If you use my code, you get 20% off of this eyeliner, and I believe you can use my code definitely on their website. I'm pretty sure you can do it on Amazon too, but maybe that's like already discounted if you buy off of Amazon, because I did look it up, and on Amazon they're going for $14.99 right now, and like I said, that will be in the description box below, the link that you can easily click and go over there. I don't get any commission. I'm not, all they did was send this to me to review. I got it sent for free to me to review, but this is my 100% honest opinion about it. It's not swaying my opinion at all. I'm just comparing it to the previous eyeliner that I have already used. But yeah, Amazon $14.99, And I told you my discount code is Valerie20. It's right here on the screen, and it also will be in my description box below in case you want to see that and use that. And on their company website, this eyeliner goes normally for $22, but as of the moment I looked on their website, they had a little bit of a sale going on for $17.99, and I believe you can get that extra for 20% off if you use my discount code. And I did notice that they had a lot of other products that I'm really interested in. They have highlighter palettes, they have serums, you know, skincare on their website. They have serums, they had hair straighteners, they had vitamins, they had all kinds of stuff. They had eyeliner, like pencil, which I think it was a retractable pencil, and they also had a tattoo liner. That's another thing I would like to try out and compare this with like their tattoo liner. But I mostly want to check that highlighter palette out. And the highlighter palette that I was interested in was originally $50, but it's on sale for $35.99. But yeah, let's try this eyeliner out on camera just for you. All right, now that I showed you that part, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward again and show you the other makeup products that I'm using. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. I really am enjoying the Mia Unshakable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And this is my third day of wearing it, and it's still very wet, pigmented. It might be the best liquid eyeliner I have tried. Yeah, might be. I'm not sure yet. I can't really think. I want to say my favorite so far has been the Milani before this one. Well, I wish I had a Milani one to compare with this one right now so I could see which one lasts longer and like how pigmented, how it wears. I wish I could do like a comparison on each eye, but I don't have that right now. But I do really love this one, and it's not that bad of a price. And plus, don't forget, I got that 20% discount. It's Val20 right here on the screen, and it's also in the description box below, along with their Amazon link and their company website link. All down below. Yeah, $14.99 for a liquid eyeliner that wears great. Easy to remove, stays put all day. Yeah. And it's cruelty free. So yeah, all winning in my book. Thank you so much, Mia Adora, for sending me your Unshakable liquid eyeliner. I love it so much, and I really want to try more products from you. And yeah, to everyone that is watching, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye!